Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is usually covered in Algebra 2, having to do with compound interest, and it's very important in the real world. It's really helpful to be able to make these kinds of calculations. And I know I've used it in my real life, not just my math life. So here's the equation. The amount A doesn't look like an A, does it? The amount that you're going to have is equal to the principal amount, which is the amount you started with, times 1 plus R over N to the NT. So A is the ending amount. P is the starting amount. R is the interest rate, annual interest rate. N is the number of times you compound per year. So how many times does the money compound per year? We'll see this in a minute. And T is years. Okay. So we're just going to plug in. How much do you need to deposit in an account now in order to have $3,000 later? So we start with the 3,000 over here, and we're going to solve for P, because this is our ending amount, 3,000, and we want to find out what the starting amount would be. Now the interest rate is 0.08, and the number of times it compounds is 12 because it's compounding monthly. And 15 years is T. Okay, so that's the hard part. Now the easy part is coming up. So we're just gonna, thank goodness we have calculators to use to make all this happen easier. So 0.08 over 12, do that on my calculator. So that's 0.06. So this is going to be 1.06006 repeating, raised to the 12 times 15 power 180. Okay, and 3,000. So I'm going to put these two numbers into the calculator. I'm going to, oh, sorry. 1 second. That gives me so it's P times 3.0, sorry, 3.307 And now I just divide. And I get 907. Since this is money, we'll round it to the nearest hundredth, so this will be 19. I have to put $907.19 into the account now in order to have $3,000 15 years later. So this is useful. What if you have a goal? You want to save money for a particular goal. It might be a down payment on a house, and you want to buy the house 5 years from now. So 5 years would be, so T would be 5, and maybe you need $20,000 for a down payment. So that's what A would be. And you're trying to figure out how much money you need to put away now. Or what if you have a baby and you want to have enough money to send the baby to college? And so T would be 18 years, and you'd have to figure out how much money you wanted to have saved for college. That would be your A. So this kind of thing comes up all the time in the real world, and I think it's well worth your learning how to do this. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.